Five little kittens sitting in a row, wiggling their tails and ready to go. With bows and boots and shirts so bright, they're ready for a day of fun and delight. One little kitten bouncing a ball jumped so high he had a great fall. Meow, he giggled, I'm okay. Four little kittens still want to play. Two little kittens ran to a tree. One climbed up high as proud as can be. Look at me, she shouted loud. Three little kittens meowed so proud. Three little kittens went to a tree. One climbed up high as proud as can be. Look at me, she shouted loud. Three little kittens meowed so proud. Three little kittens went inside. One found milk and opened wide. But oh no, splash, the milk went down. Four little paws slipped all around. Four little kittens played hide and seek. One found a box and gave a peek. He jumped inside and gave a shout. Surprise! He popped right out. Five little kittens got tired and slow. One yawned big, it was time to go. He curled right up in a cozy heap and dreamed sweet dreams in his kitty sleep. Now five little kittens snug as can be, sleeping together so happily, with purrs and dreams and soft little sighs under the stars in the nighttime sky.